Guys, do you know you can make money from the comfort of your home? You are home and you are getting paid. Yes, so you are receiving credit alert right on your phone. If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep. Masun, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. In today's video, I'll share with you the top paying businesses to start from home. Guys, are you ready to turn your home into a cash cow? Oh yeah, welcome back to my YouTube, to our channel, where we're about to unveil the most lucrative opportunities that allow you to be your own boss from the comfort of your home, sweet home. Guys, today's topic is all about the top paying businesses to start from home. So if you're ready to transform your living space into a money making heaven, guys, you are in for a treat. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we're about to unlock the secrets to home-based business. Let's dive right in. The first one here on my list is that's down. Guys, is the online dating coach. Yes, you can become an online dating coach. Do you know that many single people are sick of the online dating game? You can help these people find love by becoming an online dating consultant who gets paid by the hour or a flat fee. Your services might include fine-tuning dating profiles, getting the right pictures to get attention, and even matchmaking services outside of online dating. Guys, to be an online dating consultant, you must be a good communicator who loves people and is interested in making connections. While you don't need a certification, I'm telling you, it might help your marketing efforts if you get one. So you can consider one or two dating coach certifications as one credential. Another thing you can do is online tutoring business. Yes, so if you're a subject matter expert, if you're really good at in a particular subject and you have a knack for explaining things to other people, guys, consider a career in tutoring. Guys, do you know you can make upwards of $80 an hour by helping high school and college students through their coursework? There are actually websites that you can sign up on, like Buff Tutor, that will help you market your services, or you can set up a website and source your own clients. Guys, either way, the startup costs are low, even though you may want to invest in some textbooks that will help you with explanations and give problems, explanations and problems to give to your students, as well as one of the best video conference software systems to facilitate tutoring online. You may also want to invest in online teaching programs like Canvas or Blackboard to help you work with students remotely. Guys, before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I would like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? I like to know you, besties. You guys, see, I wasn't joking when I said I wanted to know and meet you guys. I'm building a community here. I'm building a community on this channel. Please share who you are, your name, what do you do for a living, how did you find my video. And to all of my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depth of my heart. And yes, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I already know I'm hyper. Let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you do the same thing as well. So my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about how to make money from the comfort of your bedroom. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, besties, you will never be broke again. Me, I hate being broke, and I'll always share all the tips, tricks, and strategies on how to make money from the comfort of your home. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Besties, another thing you can do from the comfort of your home is you can become a professional translator. Yes, so you can add professional translation services to your belt. Do you know that more and more businesses need to translate content into other languages to access certain demographics of customers? If you know multiple languages and you are fluent in conversational and professional tones, guys, do you know you can start a business as a translator? Besties, you don't need any certifications or educational experience to become a translator. Instead, you will be well versed so that you can translate a variety of content subjects. Another thing you can do that you probably don't know is that you can become a college advisor. For some, getting into the right college is the first step to career success. Many parents will actually spend a lot of money. They don't mind spending a lot of money to help their children get into the best schools. As a college consultant, you can help access what the options are for students, help them prepare students for tests, advise on school essays, and assist with financial aid. Guys, there is no certification required to become a college consultant, although you should be well versed in navigating the financial aid and scholarship avenues for students. Guys, some certifications will help you even market yourself better, like the college consultant certification from Heartland Institute. You can look into it. Now, another way to make money from the comfort of your home is by becoming a professional photographer. Yes, see, if you have an eye for composition and the ability to get the best pictures out of people, guys, you might consider a photography business. You can be a niche photographer. You can focus on weddings or special events, corporate headshots, real estate, or even family photos. It's up to you and your skill set as to the type of images that you capture. To become a photographer, you will need to invest the time into learning the professional photography, honing your skills, and building a portfolio to showcase your work. Additionally, you will need a quality camera with the right lens attachments, lights, and filters. You also need to get a good digital software editing program to help you fine-tune the images once you capture them. Guys, you might also want to have a website that shows your portfolio and helps you to get new clients. And here is the bottom line, guys. If you're ready to start a business at home, this list will give you some ideas of easy to start businesses. Most of them don't require a degree or any specialized training. Find something that you love to do and turn it into a profitable business. Guys, I do a lot of businesses, and just so you know, see, you can transform any skill that you have. You can monetize it. Yes, so you can transform it into a business for yourself. If you have any skill, guys, don't sleep on it. You can make money, yes, just by honing into your skills, your own inbuilt skills. You don't have to struggle to do it. You don't have to, force yourself to understand. You already know these things. I'm telling you, on this channel, I'm gonna share with you ways by which you can monetize all of the skills that you have. If you're someone that loves to talk, we can create a business pathway from your skills. Yeah, so on this channel, it's all about helping you to make money. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. The more you follow me on this channel, I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to share a lot of skills that have actually helped me get to where I am today. I hope that this video has blessed you. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Please see this channel as our channel. It's not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. It's not just my channel. So feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. If you want me to do a research a lot of your specifications, also let me know. If you want to see more of grants videos, yes, grants are actually free money that you do not have to pay back. Yeah, unlike loans that you have to pay back. If you want to see more of grants videos, please let me know. But if you want to see more of how to make money online videos, let me know as well. Looks like a lot of people don't understand how grants work, and I think I do not really blame you, because most people that win grants do not come out to tell people that oh, I have just won grants, and that's why a lot of people probably do not have faith in it. Grants actually exist, and I've won multiple grants as well. In fact, one of my subscribers won 4 grants in a space of 5 months. If you want to see more grants videos, let me know. But if you prefer money making videos, your wish is my command. I'm constantly working hard for you day and night, seeking resources, researching and ways by which you can add value to yourselves. Thank you all so much for watching all the way to the very end. Do not forget to like and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. God bless you.